Accessibility is important for any office environment and any machine. The problem or the question isn't really, is paper going to stop in a machine? Because if you're moving paper, paper will stop. Something's going to happen. The question is, however, how quickly can I get that misfed paper out and get on with my production? So what I've done here is I'm going to simulate a stoppage. I have an envelope. I put a staple right here and a staple right here. I'm going to load this envelope in the hopper. As it goes through, the documents that are trying to insert into the envelope are not going to be able to, and it'll cause a stoppage at the point of insertion. What I'll do is show you how to remove that type of stoppage. And so I'm just going to set this on top of about, 5, 6, 7 envelopes, and I'll put some more envelopes on top of those. And I'm just going to press the start button. Machine's running along fine. Eventually, it's going to find our stapled envelope, right? It tells me here I had a document inserting failure, and it says remove documents from the indicated locations. And it gives me a list of things to check to prevent this from happening in the future. So how quickly can I get this out? I'm going to open the cover. I'm going to spin this. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. If you notice, the document is not destroyed. You protect the documents, and I just press start. It'll bring up a fresh envelope and continue with the job. It's that easy to clear stoppage in this machine. All right, here's our last one. So let me show you a couple of things. You have complete accessibility in here. You can remove envelopes if you need to. There's some knobs you can do certain things with to remove it. Your folder opens. You have great accessibility to the folder. And then this is the vertical track. Vertical track is great because half the feed track's here and the other half's here. So if any paper's in there, it just kind of falls to the bottom and you remove it. The accumulator just lifts up, so if you ever need to just lift the accumulator up to remove a piece of paper, it's that simple. And that's the accessibility of this machine. Again, it's not if a piece of paper is going to get stuck in a machine, it's how quickly you can get back to production, and did it damage your document to where you have to go reprint it.